Anywhere me go, anywhere me go, yeah, anywhere me go. See that chain around me neck, you a 0 degrees, brother. Girl, all I tell me say me cooler than the breeze, brother. Can't keep one girl after she no secret. Love all girl, but props if she freaky. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, right now we are here. Yo, the man can laugh. Easy. You know the vibes. Shabbos is here. So Ricky is here. Ron is here. Right. Run a boat over Ricky shop. Yeah. Ricky down to work this week. Ricky down to work this week, so I'll be here. We late. We link up with Ron, Ricky, me, Booba, and chilling. You know you're gonna hot, but you're dressed for later. No man, me Booba is okay, man. Hey, my run me down. But yo, catch the breeze. It's go cold tonight. I mean, I want them, you know, but then I hear me. So you're dressed for now? Okay. Ricky up front. Look it up. Hey Siri, what's the temperature looking like? Yo Siri, what's it?
It's about 82 degrees outside. It's about 82 degrees outside.
How would I talk to Ricky Siri?
How you get my Siri?
Come watch Chippy TV. Siri.
I told you not to answer to no other man.
Yo, the man drink a rose 6. So right now we're there. Yeah, everybody knows a barrel. Yo, we think of $4,000 for a barrel, you know? $45.
Wait, $45
for a barrel. We buy a barrel and send guy out, plus tax. We just go say $4,000 for a barrel, dog. Jesus. A barrel in every Jamaican knows. Oh, damn, we not have a mask. You not have your mask.
Mel call me.
Put on your mask. Tell Mel so
Mel
wait.
Mel,
wait.
Mel, wait, hold on.
Vlog world, so Mel is right there, my guys. Say hello to my vlog. Mel, you have your face by your mask? Mel, how conceited is you? You okay? $200? So right now we're there with our swap shop and we are look a grill. We are going to see if we can find a grill for a better money than where them that show with Liqual over there. So Liqual them show 2 bills. And we now try balance that. So we are going to see what can go on. Chavas did it so. Ricky did it so. Ron did it so. Alright, let me show them. I'm going to have a rundown. You see them screen there? You want to know them screen there? And where the movie them show up on. And you just drive in and park. Anyway, watch a movie. The one in a look 3 bad. I get the pressure cooker with it. 3 burner? 125? Yeah. The Ricky want to buy out the whole of them. 20 pieces for buy all of them right now. I'm going to sell them.
Yo, Jamaica, we are sending.
We are sending. We are put by the same guy yard. You want to them spot, yeah. So, something like this more. If me get this, me can make pudding. My deal set up. See it there? Row. Sharp. Alright. Come right there, so. And support mommy, you know? Yeah.
Hey, mommy. You can't pay everything.
Yo, see what me have, yo?
You got the card.
This me have, you know? No, they want the bad man. They want the definitely bad. This, them are good too. Them non-stick one, yeah? So Ricky I go buy all of them. She says she have 20, Ricky I buy the whole 20 of them. What I do and do it. It's simple and easy though. Ricky look like he want all of them. Straight here. The transaction I go on there. Be $100 me a say. Be $100 me a say. Put back my red one. Hold it. If you need a tree, where I try to figure out if you need the tree. No man, you can always have a tree, man. Always have a tree. Always have a tree. Always have a tree. Yeah, them non-stick on the body.
Anything. Wise to grab anything.
Anything. Yo, me go tap in and puddle of water. Slippers no, my socks no wet up. My socks wet up? No, my socks good. my face there.
This one back up.
Oh.
Keep going inside.
Yo, man, your box have a face in the dark.
Oh,
No, we can't make you climb that.
When we're here, we work, and you take money off of our.
Yes.
We sell pot.
This one up on the business card, watch him. Yeah, the man they go over here to buy 3 burners, 2 burners. Mama make a nice piece of money in idea. Run! Watch out, he can't lift you up. The man they come and come back. Why you put fear over your head? People. Come on, member, come check out Mummy and Raw. When here, Ricky? Ricky, what place name? You know, Ricky beg our rice, look while.
Tell of rice. Some soup.
Sang Frank, something soup. You get a blue one in my bodies. Everybody knows a blue one in my bodies.
Blue are the best thing.
Blue are bodies fun.
You might catch me again with the kiss code. Too much you know you gotta tell them to me yet. Put numbers on it.
Me not tell them no more where you hit.
One for now, one for later.
Put the numbers them, right?
One for
Famous
now,
when you edit this, remember Ricky told you to put the numbers.
one for now, one for later.
And when next one after what? The man find a pink one, dog.
It's rare. Really rare.
I
You want to
trade
change? Nah, I don't like it.
Yo, come play rock, paper, scissors, see pink one. Rock, paper, scissors.
See your mother.
Your hotels look nice. We can buy some swimmers, but this time we can get them right off of the water. Look like Ricky look a boat for buy. Yo, the water here deep, you know, you notice me now I'm going near it. I remember Florida, crocodile, love them water, yeah. Chabasa look something for buy. It just look.
It's like a fishing boat.
Yeah. Chabasa look something for teeth.
If you're brave.
Chop off in the water, you see. Look how them are kick we out before we even buy the fish them. The man just coming like a little road picnic. Why ain't gone so far?
That's snapper.
Snapper. Smaller than that?
Yeah. When you fry it, you need thrush was a tiny dog. You gotta get the big thrush.
If you look on the eye, them and see if they're white. One of my yellow tail. Why you take picture of Chabasa complaints? You take a picture of them.
No, I saw me out take picture. He's picture on the camera, me not
How you not go far?
keep me over there.
But you can't swim.
Yo, Ryan, give me a gun.
Alright.
Yo, we are
Watch out.
Hold on, this one. Ah, we keep much up my finger there. Y'all get them at all?
Yeah, me take up already.
Take up far. You need it deeper than this time. You're steaming another.
No, me not steaming in that.
it's
That's steaming in that pot. That of when me fry them, I put them in that.
I won't have no me here, you know. You see me grab here, well, I don't know. I say, no, I'm up here.
Yeah, the me say me no want to pay more piece up here.
Alright.
When you cut it, just hide for me piece. I don't know what kind of breadfruit that the man didn't take up, but the breadfruit didn't look good. You come like a Jamaica here there with a gas pan. You know, reach home, Ricky, I deal with them here. Quick. I went in and a joke, we in and a laughing. Yellowtail, that are the what? Goldfish. And then the sprat. And I mean, Ricky, I go deal with them right now. I go cut up them here, so We're ready. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
Chaba
chef.
sleep on lime duty.
No. I mean, I chef.
We just reached, we are pack out the things them now. I mean, Ricky and Ron just light up a fire.
Yo, I best fire now.
You know, that's the one right now. That's a fee.
You should put this in the middle, you know.
The breadfruit. Yeah, breadfruit. You don't know, swimmers them in this. We're going to fry whole heap and we're going to steam whole heap with crackers and baiting. Nice like a station. But I wait for Chabas to bring a knife come so we can open this. Yo, this bad. I know lie to you now. This bad. Bad. I have to turn off the fire and this guy to burn too much. Turn the breadfruit. Them know now the breadfruit I use. Alright, so Ricky are adding them something right now because we're about to fry it here. We'll sprat them right there, so. Watch it, man.
Yo, I'll say you have to go.
Hey, if you...
You fry like so.
Yo, you wet up the whole place with the iron dog.
That's out dog. It's so very serious. And then I will buy it to them, you know.
Yo, so no bad not turn the breadfruit.
Yes, country man. What you put that boy? Yeah, man, I'm not sick.
This is what they watch have vlog. Yo, how it looks so?
Oh.
Your light on. We couldn't see the car. If you want to look better. So I done pre-cut all of my vegetable them already. So pepper, carrot, potato, corn. Oh, them my back of my blowing. What this name again? Okra, thyme, all of them something. You know what I mean? And pumpkin and base something in this. This have to go in now. Coconut milk I have a cook down right now. I gotta add some noodle to this. Fish them, you know, I go on. Everything I go on, everything I go on. Breadfruit I go on. So right now we just adding with carrot and with corn, you know. Show them how I go on like that. So when you say pot, pick it out, what's that? And a big thing left to go in like that.
Do you want to turn up the fire?
Yeah, a little bit. Turn it up a little bit. Bacon.
We have the fish right after the sprat. Sprat after well fry, you know?
Well
Fry.
Couple of them, you know.
Okra. Yeah, man, okra for going to eat.
Them are going last. You have to have your noodles then. Swimmers noodles. Pumpkin noodles.
Yo, I best stove we buy that. What the three?
The stove, yeah.
I best stove.
You couldn't go wrong with three. Okay, breadfruit now middle now. Alright, so when the pot go on, simmer down a little bit more, we're going to check in back to them, right? Let's see. Pot go on with base something out the door. Lovely. Mash up a spot right now, bad. Man, breadfruit are going on. Breadfruit are gone. I think the pot is bigger. This now look like you need no crackers at all. Just put in the swimmers them look on.
Oh, you know what?
Now what? Clarendon style.
Big up, I'm clearing down young people. That
Everybody from Clarendon, big up on yourself.
That's how we do it.
That's all we do.
Turn on before you like, yeah, so you please
Ricky, really? Really, Ricky? Yo, so me go follow.
Yo, teacher, yo!
That's how you do about the king's son.
You man tell us a Clarendon people style.
Yeah, I saw tall people that get one up.
Yeah, man. Saucy.
Ricky, no one want to see my eat him.
What are you? Look for that food.
I made a sandwich.
By the time then done
Ricky belly full already. Troubles belly full already. What are them belly full? You need no more. You need no more people.
Yo, me I drink a VSOP there now.
Me that's where the whole of this now. Who not complain? Hey,
Man, the man give me water and give me spoon. Because me go end up fighting.
crackers.
No, give me tap one them water, but you want them down there so. You want the bottom one them?
So my fish side come off.
Run, give me spoon, man. Because you're not doing anything official.
So vlogger.
Catch you pot. The man him give me soup. Look how I'm pretty veal pot and I do my things. Man, you must want me knock over this.
But you again answer what?
No, you put me first.
You learn.
I want more crackers.
The crackers are this over there you want, man. Troubles no care about fish.
Look there, guys. So.
I come here a lot. You want to see how you look like blue little while.
Yo, you know something there?
Yo, your fish look. Oh, your fish looks so.
You don't want that one there?
No, take it. You touch it. All is mine.
Yo, you now go for more perfect, you know, because we tell you use the spatula.
Yo.
Yo, where's spatula, dog?
See over there.
It's not wicked the fuck.
Yeah, man. Booba. Steam fish. So I'm gonna help. Hold on.
You don't even get no okra or no pumpkin and something. You have to put on in a fish, man.
Yeah,
Put on in a you have to say people this is our
Run.
How
long you been? Alright, we have to play. Yo, what's wrong?
Give thanks.
Hey, this how you're doing now.
So my one come out neat.
You know, no crackers.
Yeah, me I go share out there something me done in it.
Me not get no. Yo, pumpkin over there.
My own.
You go do?
How why not that?
The spatula.
Spatula and too far.
See me there beg them with the food and no nobody can give me no.
You like it all on?
Man, me not get no food yet, dog.
Yo.
I might try to take some.
Make me go over go in a box around this and we know. Go in a box around this here we know.
More crackers potato.
Started first.
So right now, I just reach home and I want to say blessings and respect again for everybody who forward out and support yet another vlog. Because you could have the anywhere in the world, but you the right so with me and not support this with me. You know what I mean? Yeah, couple things I want to say. Because I don't want to talk to you. The vlog I just start. Me don't normally do it like how me normally would do it and start over this and make you know what I want and all of them something there. So first thing is this song in the intro. People always ask if I'm sing it. Yes, it's my song and it a drop Sunday. I want to drop it Sunday. I pray if I drop it Sunday, which is November the 22nd. Yeah, I think Sunday the 22nd. I plan to drop it Sunday. So, I drop it on all platforms. You know what I mean? So, who always say they want to support me, you can go there, so go support me and purchase it over there. So, I think I'm going to do it for 99 cents. That makes sense, you know what I mean? Me even not got $1, I not kilo, no I got $1. I go 99 cents. So I get to save a little thing, you know what I mean? When you don't know, so I always appreciate it. Whatever you do. So yeah, blessings and respect again for support another vlog. Yeah, just remember if you like, leave a comment, big up me them. So the song in the intro, I drop it the 22nd this month, which is Sunday. I only can go purchase it or whatever, I just sell it quite so. Big up on yourself. Mad move. Up it.
Hold on there, before you click off, remember the merch in the bio right now for purchase. Any Big Up Me G's merch, any color, we have everything for the ladies them. You know what I mean? We have phone case, we have everything. We have pullover, we have regular shirt, we have long sleeve. Support the movement, my G's. Blessings and respect. Up it.